Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi on the phone, you just should just tap once on this icon, and that's it. And just to enter into the Wi-Fi settings, to select one from the available networks, you should just hold for a while this icon, and as can you see, we just launched the Wi-Fi settings, and you can now just select one from these networks. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, just tap here once on this switcher, on this icon, and that's it. So, and the second way how you can do that, you just can go into the settings application and tap here on the internet network section. Just to enable the Wi-Fi, tap once on the switcher and tap here. So as can you see here, we get this the same the available networks, and for example, just to connect to the first one, you just should tap there and enter your password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. Here by tap once on this checkbox, you can see your password to have no mistakes and to connect right. And just tap here to connect, and as can you see, we get here the message that our device connected to this network. And if you wanna, for example, select the another one, you just can here tap on the settings icon, forget this previously selected network, and select the another one. And then just if you wanna turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave the thumbs up, comment, and to subscribe our channel. Bye.